First Class Travel presents the 5 must-see waterfalls in the world. The incredible Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls by volume and is also one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Located between Zimbabwe and Zambia on the Zambezi River, the falls are over a mile wide and over 350 feet high, making them a truly awe-inspiring sight to behold. An incredible way to view the falls is from above in a microlight. The surrounding area has plenty of safari tours, and the best hotel to stay at is the Royal Livingstone, which has direct access to the falls via a private gate. The most famous waterfall in North America, located on the border between Canada and the United States, is Niagara Falls. This waterfall is one of the most powerful in the world and is over 700 feet wide and over 180 feet high. The falls are best viewed from the Canadian side or by getting up close to the falls on a boat tour. There is 4-star accommodation in the nearby city of Niagara Falls, including the Marriott and Hilton hotels. The best hotels are situated in Toronto, including the Ritz, Carlton and the Four Seasons. Iguazu Falls is located on the Iguazu River between Argentina and Brazil. This waterfall is over 2 miles wide and over 300 feet high, making it one of the most impressive waterfalls in the world. It's also surrounded by lush tropical rainforest, adding to its beauty. The best hotel to stay at when visiting Iguazu Falls is the Hotel das Cataratas, a luxurious Belmond hotel. It is the only hotel inside the Iguazu National Park, giving its guests unparalleled access to the falls. Plitvice Lakes, located in Croatia, is actually a series of cascading lakes and waterfalls, making it one of the most unique waterfalls in the world. The waterfalls range from between 8 to 78 feet in height, and together they create a stunning display. The closest hotel to the falls is Hotel Plitvice, a 3-star hotel located at the entrance of the Plitvice National Park. And finally, we have Gullfoss, located in Iceland on the Hvita River. This waterfall is over 100 feet high and almost 300 feet wide, making it one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. It is surrounded by breathtakingly beautiful landscapes, making it a must-see destination. The best hotel for visiting Gullfoss is Hotel Gullfoss, a 3-star hotel just 3 kilometers from the waterfall. So there you have it, 5 of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world and the best places to stay during your visit. Share this video and subscribe for more first-class travel experiences.